Welcome to CalRTA's short tutorials. My name is Sue Breyer, and today I'm going to take you through how to set up a Zoom account. First of all, you need to open whatever your browser is that you're going to use. Today I'm going to use my Chrome browser, part of Google. You can use Yahoo, you can use Safari, whichever one you're comfortable with. Up here in this top bar here, I'm going to type zoom.us, zoom.us, and that will take me to the Zoom account page. Over here in the right-hand corner, you're going to see an orange tab that says Sign Up, It's Free. Click on that, and you're going to be asked, first of all, for your birth date. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my birth date, January 22nd, 2001. And then I'm going to click Continue. You then need to add your email address. So I'm going to go ahead and put my email address in. And click the blue Sign Up bar. Now, just to confirm that this is my account, I'm going to need to go back to my email. So I'm going to open a new tab up here. And I'm going to go to my email. And it says, please activate your Zoom account. I need to click on that and click on the orange Activate Account button. Notice that you receive a message that says hi, and that it has a portion of your Gmail address, or your email address, in this case it's Gmail. Your account has been successfully created. Please list your name and create a password to continue. So I'm going to put my name, and I'm going to put in a password. And then I need to confirm my password. Just to make sure that it matches. If you are part of a school K-12 institution, you'll need to check yes, but I am not, so I'm going to keep it at no. And I'll click Continue. Now, you can invite other colleagues to create their own Zoom accounts today. I'm just going to go ahead and skip this step. And I want to go to my account. And there I have my Zoom account. This is my name here. Over on the left is a menu with your profile, meetings that you are scheduling, webinars if you have that, any recordings that you make, and all the major settings associated with your account. So now that you've set up your account, you are ready to schedule meetings, even join a meeting, or open a meeting immediately and host it. Now, this is a free account, and with a free account, your meetings can last 40 minutes, and that's it. And if you want to host meetings that are longer than that, you can go up here to Plans and Pricing, and if you click on that, you'll notice down here that there is a Pro account available at $149.90 for a 1-year license. If you upgrade to a Pro account, you can host up to 100 participants, and you can have group meetings for up to 30 hours straight. You can also record to the cloud instead of recording just to your computer. So that's the second type of account that you can use. So now that you've set up your account, you can go ahead and schedule your meetings. Thank you for listening to this presentation, and we hope to see you again soon.